Some trending stocks for Tuesday, 12th of August 2025 are PSFE, ONON, SE, and LQDA. Paysafe is trending after its latest earnings report delivered a double beat on both revenue and EPS, but also revealed a higher debt load and a net loss, sparking a split in community sentiment. Bulls are pointing to growth potential in Q3 and Q4, fueled by new partnerships and payment tech expansions, as well as the recently announced share repurchase program as a sign of management confidence. Bears remain wary, citing management's track record and the competitive pressures within the fintech space, particularly against newer, more agile players. Traders are watching for signs of momentum in the payment sector and tracking insider activity to gauge whether the repurchase plan translates into meaningful shareholder value. Next is ON.
Okay, so Paysafe is up 5.78. This is Tuesday, the 12th of August. Let's see what's going on. Got a rejection here. Did we see that here? Which didn't. Okay, we got rejected there, but I was expecting to see maybe an intraday high, but it's not. So let's see now. The stock has been showing some strength since yesterday, the 11th. Okay, high prices are ultimately expected to remain in place up till Monday, the 18th of August, and then after that, they might get a distributive contraction. We have some projections. We have 12.86. Current price is what? 12.45, 12.86. Okay, just a slight upper projection there. Currently in play. Nothing to the downside. Nothing even when it was plunging. Even when this downtrend was in effect. Nothing. 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 The algos weren't phased. They didn't project anything to the downside. We have here some downward projections, slight downward projections: 12.33, 12.63, upper projections 13.13, 14.64, 15.29, 15.7. This was as of Tuesday, the 29th of July. Okay, so let's see buying pressure. What has gone? Price pressure, momentum. What is it saying? Yeah, stand right now. The 10 and 21 period moving averages are in strong trend modes. However, because the stock is still recovering, just to recover, this is, if you like, one whole trading session, including the pre-markets and the post-market, and now the pre-market session of the second trading session. So it's still not out of the woods yet. We still have some robust negative derivatives. It's indicating that yes, it may get rejected. It's not rallying on firm ground, but at the same time, it could also mean that there may still be room to the upside. You know. Okay, let's see what's next.
ON. On Holding is trending following a Q2 earnings report that beat on revenue but missed on EPS. Despite the profit shortfall, the company raised its FY25 revenue guidance, suggesting strong demand for its premium athletic footwear and apparel. This has fueled a debate about whether growth can continue without compressing margins, especially in light of potential tariff impacts on imports. The community is comparing ON's brand positioning to rivals like Nike and Lululemon, with some traders betting on a short squeeze given high short interest, while others monitor unusual put activity and options flow for signs of institutional sentiment shifts. International expansion and direct to consumer sales growth are also major talking points for the bulls. Next is SE.
Okay, ONON up 16.14%, intraday high in this session, 1653.25 in this session as well. This is, I'm talking about the pre-market session of Tuesday, the 12th of August. Intraday low is 44.05. So intraday low and intraday high in one trading session. So Let's come over to the 4 hour chart, the only one that is currently active. So uh, as things stand right now, by midday, a rejection might occur, and then it might bounce again by the post market session, and ultimately get to remain that way up to Thursday the 14th, if you like, post market session of Wednesday. And then after that, it might go into a distributive contraction. Okay, to contract this expansion that began yesterday. Yeah. Do we have projections here? That's the current prices. Yeah, we saw 50, between 44 and 44.05 and 53.25. It's currently at 53 now. Let's see what the projections are saying. We have some downward projections, beginning with that 38.75, 40.11, 42.32, 46.20, 46.77, 47.12. All of them are all downward projections as things stand right now. Let's see what we have. Previously, we had up to 51.11 as of the 6th of August. We want to see anything, anything higher than 53.25. Let's see here. We have, yeah, so far, the 11th of July, we had 51.53, 51.99, 52.74, 54.540, 56.68, 54, 57.47. Um, yeah, just a slight upper projection there. And those, they're not in play at the moment, but they're still relevant. Price pressure momentum is should be ramped up, yes. However, the stock is still in the woods as we have some robust the derivatives. You can see here minus 270 on the 10 period moving average, minus 3275 on the 21 period moving average. That's the second derivative. So strong trend mode, but still not out of the woods yet. Not rallying from a very strong base yet. But it's in the coming days, maybe things might change. Okay, so let's move on to the next one.
C Limited is trending after posting blowout Q4 results, with revenue and profits exceeding expectations across e-commerce, Shopee, digital entertainment, Garena, and financial services, C Money. Community sentiment is overwhelmingly bullish, with comparisons to Amazon's early growth in Southeast Asia resurfacing. The relaunch of Free Fire in India, a historically lucrative market, is seen as a major potential catalyst for gaming revenue, while a weaker US dollar could further boost margins and competitiveness. Some traders are eyeing technical breakouts toward pre 2022 highs, while long term investors focus on the company's ability to sustain profitability in e commerce without sacrificing user growth. Next is LQDA. Liquidia Corp.
Okay, let's have a look at SC first. So it's up 14.41%. Intraday high and intraday low within one session. Yet another case. 168.5 and then 145 in one session. Yeah, let's see. Is expected to remain strong up till this the post market session of today, and then after that, it might go into a distributive contraction that's expected to remain in place up till Thursday, the 21st of August. Projections, what do we have? 151.78. Is that where is that relative to what we have? Yeah, still a down projection. We have 167.70. So now we have to see if we have ever had 160 168.50, as a matter of fact. 160, anything close to that. Let's see, we have 151 has been in place as a projection since the 30th of July. Let's see. 151.78, not yet. Nothing. Okay, we have 168.30, but not slightly, just fractionally lower than 168.50. Okay, okay, we have to read them out. We have 151.78, 153.30, 155.76, 160.74, 166.17, 168.30. Let's see. Yeah, we have this was as of the 28th of July. We have 174.14, 182.90, 188.32. So there's room to the upside. Okay, let's see what we have. The stock has been showing this trend. The strength is currently, it's been showing a lot of strength since when was that? Yesterday or today? It was today. It was actually yesterday that shows that they're showing the strength and has carried on in this session. So let's see what the buying pressure is, price pressure momentum is indicating. Yes, strong trend modes, just like all the other stocks in this video. Not yet out of the woods yet, but very strong trend mode. Yeah, very strong trend mode at the moment, but still some very robust derivatives that are still negative. Yeah. Okay, let's move on.
Is trending on growing excitement over the commercial rollout of Utropia and its potential to take market share from rival United Therapeutics, UTHR. Bulls see the drug's launch numbers as a possible inflection point for the company's valuation, while short term traders are also whispering about a possible short squeeze due to high short interest. Bears highlight ongoing losses in cash burn, questioning whether current capital reserves are sufficient for a sustained push in the competitive pulmonary arterial hypertension (PAH) space. The approval of Utropia is seen as a transformative milestone, but execution in the coming quarters will be closely watched to see if expectations match reality.
Okay, LQDA up 17.92, intraday high 26.01. Let's see what's going on. High prices are expected to remain in place up till Thursday, the 14th of August, and then after that, we might go into a distributive contraction. Let's see what we have. We have 24.21, 25.09. What are they relative to where we are? $25 is the current price. 26 is the projection that was printed, the rejection that was printed. So, okay, we just have a slight upper projection in play and then one that's not in play. Okay, we have 26.94 here. And the other ones you heard 23.08, 25.47, and then 26.94. Anything further up, anything further up. We are the let's see. Okay, we'll come back to that. Yeah, buying pressure or rather price pressure momentum is okay. Here it's robustly and all-roundedly bullish. Nothing here is negative because the stock is not no longer it has cleared woods. You can see that it's a strongly bullish stock, especially in the short term. We're going to have a look at its daily chart and see whether the underlying trend is a bullish one. Let's come down and pick up the daily chart. Yeah, okay, yeah, strongly bullish trend. The stock, yeah, this is a strong bullish trend. Okay, so here we're going to try and see if we can find anything beyond sufficiently beyond $26 in terms of projections. As of yesterday, 19.34, that was a downward projection. Okay, let's come over here. This was as of the end of March. No, we do have 22.35, 21.06, 18.97, 10.5, 11.28, 12.55. Okay, let's come down to its weekly chart to see if there's anything ambitious there. Let's see what we have. We have here. Let's see, 25.04, 23.11, 20 dollars. Let's see, nothing yet. Okay, we have something, 24.20, 29.90. Okay, I think we can't find anything really. We've seen 29, 27, 27, but we can still try and compute something out of all of this. So we can take this 26.01 and then take 21.17 out of it. Okay, we'll be able to get project further. 26.01 minus 21.17. Okay, 21.17. We have 4.84. 4.84, okay. Multiplied by 1.618. 7.83. Add that to 24.63. We have 32.46. That's LQDA. LQDA. And then we have 32.46. Okay, we had the difference was 4.08. Yeah, 4.84. So 4.84 multiplied by 2.618, 12.67 plus 24 plus 0.63. We have 37.30. 37.30. Then we have 4.84 multiplied by 3.618. Add that to 24.63. We have 42.14. Okay, so those are the projections, for upper projections: 32.46, 37.30, and 42.14. So have a look and see what you make of these stocks. And thank you very much for watching this video.